Now, the Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Welcome back, everyone. A not bad looking sunrise if you look over to the eastern horizon. This is over in Brazil, where you can see we have some pink showing up as that sun comes up, reflecting off of some of those clouds that have lingered through the overnight. Not a bad looking sky. We received several sunset photos last night. Thank you for sending those in. Just a gorgeous picture out there. Finally, some drier weather. We're currently sitting at 69 degrees in Terre Haute. Winds coming in on the south-southwest at 3 miles per hour. Humidity at 96%. Temperatures actually a little on the warmer side as we kick off our Monday. We're talking upper 60s and lower 70s. 70 right now in Robinson, 70 in Olney, 73 in Casey, 69 in Terre Haute. Same deal as you head up to Rockville, also sitting right at 69 degrees. Temperature tracker as we head through the day, stay in the 70s here as we begin through our mid-morning. Here's 77 at 10 a.m. We get back near 80 at 11 and then back into the 80s for the rest of our afternoon. Notice that these temperatures are not going to be exceptionally hot. We're not talking about the 90s with those triple-digit heat index values today. That does stay down a bit to forecast high near 86 by about 4 p.m. and we keep those temperatures in the mid-80s. Just a little bit below average for today. Should be near 90 normally. So we do top out in the mid-80s, which is actually pretty typical for a July day. So we'll roll through Futurecast. Going through our afternoon here, notice that we stay mainly dry. That is until we head into this evening. So dry forecast this morning into the afternoon. But anytime after about 8 o'clock tonight, that's when a cold front that's developing currently to our northwest is going to move through, initiating some storms along that line. Here's 8 o'clock tonight. This is 7 Central, moving into our northwestern counties first, and then eventually into our Indiana locations after about 11 o'clock tonight. Within this line here, could see some pockets of very heavy rain. An isolated strong to severe storm not out of the question either. We'll keep that chance of some heavy rain around through about 1 o'clock in the morning. Eventually the system's going to exit. This is along that cold front, so once it moves through by tomorrow morning, we'll start to feel the effects of that frontal boundary, some more comfortable air moving in for our Tuesday. Storm Prediction Center has the entire Wabash Valley in the green highlighted area here. If you look up at our scale here in a 1 to 5 range, that's going to be the lowest of the 5. So we're not talking widespread severe weather looking ahead at today, but the potential is there. We could see an isolated strong storm or two. Forecast highs today ranging from the mid to upper 80s, 88 in Lagodi over through Flora. Forecast high of 86 in Terre Haute and 87 in Casey. Now again, as that boundary is moving south of the overnight, we don't quite feel the effects of that system just yet. So overnight tonight, still staying pretty mild. 70 your low in Casey, 70 in Terre Haute, 71 in Robinson, and 72 in Vincennes. We'll pick Futurecast back up around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning with some lingering cloud cover still in place. Looking for that sky to become partly cloudy into the second half of our Tuesday, and then we stay dry. High pressure takes control, putting us into Wednesday. Here's 7 a.m. Wednesday afternoon, still looking at that partly sunny sky, and those temperatures stay down. As we dry things out, we start to increase that pollen count. So in your Crow Equipment allergy forecast, notice that Tuesday and Wednesday, we see a slight uptick in that pollen count as compared to today. Again, that's mainly due to the fact that we are going to start to see some of those drier conditions. For the rest of the week, we dry out and start to cool things back off. So forecast for today, 86 with partly sunny skies, late day storms developing, and then scattered thunderstorms to the overnight to low near 70. Rebounding back to 80 tomorrow, so you'll already start to notice it's not going to get us hot. And check this out, overnight low temperatures, we head into our Wednesday morning near 58 degrees. Certainly going to give those air conditioners a break and maybe let up those windows up and let some of that refreshing air in. We stay below average all the way through Thursday, and we start to heat things back up by the end of the week. 88 Friday and 90 by next Saturday.